If you're ready to switch up how you play games, the Nintendo Switch OLED should be top of mind. What's up, friends? I'm Devin Howard, back at it again with another episode of Unbox This. Nintendo, don't switch off of this video too quickly because I'm telling you all about the newest addition to the Nintendo family, the OLED Switch. I've been dying to get my hands on one of these. The 7-inch OLED screen with its bright, vivid colors seems almost too good to be true in a handheld gaming device. If playing your games anywhere, and I really mean anywhere, sounds like your vibe, stick around while I unbox this. So Nintendo made a bunch of cool improvements to their Switch, and I'm really excited to see how they all came together. Let's open this box. Wow, look at this. Okay, so here we have the Switch. Now on the back, they have the stand here. I'm gonna talk more about this later on in the video, but let's just pull it out and see how it looks. This is already a big difference between the original Switch and the OLED Switch, but like I said, I'm gonna get into this in more detail later on. I gotta finish unboxing. Now here we have the Joy-Cons. Right here we have a warning guide. This is the dock, so you will actually slip your Switch right into here, and then you can connect this to your TV and you can play your games in TV mode. This also will charge your Switch and the Joy-Cons, so you wanna keep track of this. Don't lose this. Here we have a USB-C AC adapter. The Nintendo Switch OLED comes with an HDMI cord, which is really nice. A lot of the times, products with HDMI capabilities don't come with the cord, so it's cool that they provide this for you. You can take this out of the box and plug it into your TV right away. Here we have the Joy-Con grip. You can slide your Joy-Cons in here, and then when you're playing in TV mode, you have one single controller. All right, you guys, that's everything that comes in the box. I'm going to clear off the table, and then we'll talk about this really cool product. Now this 7-inch OLED screen is pretty awesome. It's definitely an improvement from the OG Switch and would make gaming on the go super fun and easy. The fact that it's OLED is also a game changer. The vibrant colors and vivid contrast can really immerse you in what you're playing. Not only that, but OLED screens tend to perform better when in direct sunlight, so you can game anywhere and you won't have to seek out a dark corner to really see what you're playing. When it comes to OLED screens, the black you see is true black. The pixels are actually off, so that also means it preserves battery life. You guys, let's turn on the Nintendo Switch to see how this OLED screen really looks. Who wants to play some Grand Theft Auto? For a handheld gaming device, this really is quite impressive because the colors here are just so bright and vivid. Everything is crystal clear. It looks really, really good. But let's talk about audio because that's obviously just as important as what you're seeing on the screen. Luckily, the Nintendo Switch OLED has enhanced audio. Your overall viewing and listening experience is totally improved with this device. The stand is a definite bonus from the original Switch. It's bigger and it just feels overall more sturdy. It also adds a level of accessibility and portability to your Nintendo Switch. You can prop it up on a table like I've done and watch something while you're having lunch. You can even use it while you're on an airplane and place this on the tray of the seat in front of you. So even though this device is handheld, it doesn't necessarily have to be held in your hands. The stand is totally adjustable too, making it easy to find whatever angle suits your needs best. Like I said, just because you can hold the Switch in your hands doesn't mean you have to. The Nintendo Switch OLED comes with a built-in wired LAN port. You can connect online using this port when you're playing in TV mode. If you do want to play your Nintendo Switch in TV mode, it's super simple, and that's where this dock comes in handy. So what you're going to do is slip your Nintendo Switch in here. When you do have it plugged into your TV, the screen is actually going to turn off. Get your controllers and slip them in right here. And then you have all the ports necessary to plug this directly into your TV. If you like the idea of playing your Nintendo Switch with a controller, you can use this. as your controller as well. So we've talked a bit about TV mode, but the Nintendo Switch OLED actually comes with 3 different modes. There's TV mode, which allows you to dock your system to enjoy HD gaming on your TV. You get tabletop mode, which utilizes the stand and lets you share the screen. This is especially nice in a multiplayer game. And then there's handheld mode, which takes advantage of the Joy-Con controllers attached to the 7-inch OLED screen. It comes with a whopping 64 gigabytes of internal storage. Save whatever games you want with that kind of space. Overall, the Nintendo Switch OLED model is an improvement from previous Switches. The screen is bigger and brighter, the stand is way better, and the other smaller adjustments definitely make an impact. Is it a totally different Nintendo Switch experience? No, but they tweaked things where it matters the most. So what do you guys think about the Nintendo Switch? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell. To buy one for yourself, check the link in the description below. I'm Devin Howard, and we just unboxed this. Bye guys!